Do you know the correct feeding technique of slime ball press? For slime ball press, feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling. The reason for doing so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing load to the reducer and motor of the slime ball press. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly and the charge is stable. When the feeding quantity exceeds the specified quantity of the equipment, it will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable, and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So in operation to master the feeding amount is the nervous link of the operation of the machine, that is, the skilled operation technology is to ensure the normal operation of the coal slime ball press. Therefore, the correct feeding is an important link and an important condition to ensure the normal operation of slime ball press.